welcome back to another video. We have another snack crate.
It's part 2.
Yeah, it's part 2. So here we have
Naomi, Terrence, Theodore,
Leo,
Zoe,
and I'm Zenobia, or the mama. So, snack crate. Alright, I just opened it, so I don't even know what this one is. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm excited. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. I don't know what this is. This looks like a. Ooh, it's Korea. Is it?
There's a China place on the back.
Yes, it's Korean. That's pretty cool. Alright. So, once again, it's got some of the interesting fun facts about it in there. We have. I guess this is some of the stuff that could be in the box. I'm not gonna do too much. Some of this stuff. What's this? A game?
Where?
Ooh, there's like a game thing on. Now I don't know what these are, but there's some colors in here, so I'm just put these off to the side.
I think
those
are pink.
Oh, it's for origami. Oh, we get to make some origami. All right. So, all right, let me Wow.
Whoa. Yes. I think that's like chips.
Yeah, these. I'm not gonna do it like the last time. Maybe I'll try to edit it in, but these are super airy.
Ooh.
I don't know what it is. It's in Korean, so I couldn't even tell you. But where's that little picture thing? Maybe it'll have like the English words to it. Magamagu or something. I am so sorry. I'm not even gonna try it. But let's just
I don't want to eat that.
everybody, you gotta try everything, just like last time. We're gonna try everything. Alright. There's like more stuff in this one because that first box we had was our trial, I think. Okay, so cool. So I'm gonna. Everybody can just grab one.
Okay.
Okay, Karen.
Oh, it does smell good.
Okay, wait to try one. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna try it.
Okay.
You good?
Wait, we had to do something. 5 seconds subscribe. You want to click the channels and turn on here and phone in 5 seconds. Okay? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Sorry. And then we're going to eat this. We're going to eat it.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's like a cinnamon type.
Oh, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I like
It's fine. I'll give you guys another one. But after this one, you might not get another one.
What?
Because I might want to eat the rest of it.
Oh.
Alright, moving on. That one was good. Let's do this marshmallow cake thingy.
Whoa. Wow. That was so good.
1974.
It's a choco pie. Alright.
Round 2.
Ooh.
Yes.
I don't know if I want to.
round 2.
Alright, so let me get this out so I can cut this. So I gotta cut it into. Dude, them little things is good though. I ain't finna lie.
I don't know what that tastes like.
Alright, so
Maybe I will.
this one's got marshmallows in it.
Wow.
Oh wait, I should cut it like this. It's like a what's one of those types of snacks that I cut that one a little small. That's fine. I'll take one of the smaller pieces. Alright, oops, I'm dropping stuff. One for you. One for you.
It smells good. It smells like cake.
It is like a cake. Alright. Hold on, you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. It almost feels like a. Oh, wait. I almost had Twinkie vibes with it.
Tastes good.
Ugh, I
I
am
don't
not.
really know how it tastes like. I can only taste the marshmallow.
I didn't taste anything.
You
Look,
didn't
it's
even eat half of
chocolate.
it. You ate like a piece of
Oh,
it.
I taste both. I taste the
Me too.
marshmallows and the
That
yellow
is
stuff
tiny,
and
dude.
the
Oh, the chocolate just like
the
And
marshmallow tastes so good.
they both are delicious.
No,
It
wait.
makes together.
So if the marshmallows and chocolate is too delicious.
Spongy soft cakes filled with rich custard cream. I'm not sure about this one. Here's the next one that we have. Where is it?
Round
Custard.
Oh, thanks.
A custard cake.
Let's taste marshmallow.
Yummy, your cake.
Be careful, please.
You want your cake?
No, don't eat it.
I don't know.
No.
That's hers. This one's a tiny one.
Oh. Oh my god.
Mm. This. I'm so big on the screen. Naomi, please get back in the screen. Alright, this one has an interesting smell to it to me. That's why I was saying. I don't know. It's like a cake or something. Lemony. Maybe it's the custard, whatever that is.
Ugh.
Alright. I'm glad I'm all prepared for this one. I'll take some.
I hope it's
Oh, okay.
Take one piece. Would you wait, Terrence? Let her grab hers. Oh no.
What?
Just take that piece. And then you take that
Ugh.
piece.
It smells weird.
Well, the inside smells good.
Smells like good.
I hope it smells good.
This smells good.
Mama, don't eat it yet.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
3,
3,
2, 1. Okay.
Oh, I hate that.
I am not taking a bite of that.
It kind of tastes like to me,
No.
like a Twinkie, right? Like a lemon.
Yeah,
Maybe
actually,
Twinkie.
it tastes like the lemon cake that Grandma and Papa made. And it tastes like
That's
banana.
the one.
And it tastes like banana muffins.
We got a lot more snacks in here.
Oh, no.
Ooh, is that something to drink?
Or
I'm not gonna-
it was like oils.
Okay. Let me go back to this one real quick. Does anybody else?
Me.
No. Hold on. You said yeah?
I don't want one.
Like, I just might low-key order me a personal thing of these. This so far is my favorite one.
Me too. These
I'm
of
gonna eat
them are my favorite.
You like all 3 so far?
Round 4. Ding ding.
Okay. This one's something fruity. Gummies.
The grapes.
Yeah.
I
There's
like
50 of them in here? Is that what they're saying?
Oh, they're gummy.
Okay, this is the next one that we have.
The gummy.
They're some jelly-filled, I guess, jelly gummies. Something, I don't know. Let's find out. But I definitely want something fruity after. Ooh, I can smell it already. A grape flavor. Ooh.
Ugh.
Me too.
Take
There's
one.
some grapey.
You got 2. Take one. Give one to Leo. Dang, dude, you don't touch that camera. Everybody got one?
Yeah.
You ready?
Set, go.
They're like gummies.
I'm gonna take one piece, like grapes. 3, 2.
Oops, reality. A little chewy.
They're gummy.
Like a fruit snack.
I'm gonna get one.
Mm.
Mmm.
Anybody want another one?
Yeah. I'll take it.
Take one.
Mmm. Red tears. What's good tears? Good tears,
Yeah.
Peter.
These are good too.
Good tears.
I will do the buffing.
These are pretty good.
That was good.
But the first one still might be my favorite, and then that little gummy's just like second. Ooh, is it a cookie? Uh-oh. We have a cookie next. This is the cookie. I'm trying to...
Round 5.
Is this a fake one already?
Wait, 1, 2.
Yeah, let me just like try to dust that off right there. Maybe alright. Now this is Margaret cookies with parents love. Wait. With parents love. Fill this love with soft cookie. Now I think it's only one cookie. Super small. Ooh. It looks like a vanilla wafer. It looks like it might be 2 cookies. Cool. Okay, good. I can split that. So I was gonna say, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one little cookie. So it comes with, looks like 2 little cookies.
They look like pie cookies.
They sound kind of basic, though.
They definitely look like pie cookies.
Well, there's 6 of us, but I can't necessarily cut it like. Oh shoot! I'm just gonna cut them in half, and then cut them in half again, and then there's like gonna be like an extra 1 or 2 or something.
That's much better.
It's kind of broken. Take 1. Wait for it. Okay, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Open your hand.
Break the
Yeah.
pieces.
Talking about it's a soft cookie. Just kidding.
I can break.
Okay. Take 1.
I'm very
And
tired.
go. All right, ready? 3,
3,
2, 1. That is a soft cookie.
It's good. I love
This is
Yeah.
nasty.
It's got something taste to
I
it.
do. Can you spit that out?
Yeah, he doesn't like it. Does anybody want the other piece? The other piece.
I'll take some piece.
No thanks. I'm gonna save some room for the others.
Yeah, because we still
Ew.
have a
Did you
lot
just
left.
spit this out?
A lot. I got 1 little piece left. I don't really like it. It's got some interesting.
Good.
It was okay, but
Round 6. Not bad.
Yeah, that's what I wanted you to.
I've actually seen this one. It's the noodle snack.
Ooh, noodle snack.
You okay?
It's a noodle snack. That's
Cold?
noodle.
So what you're supposed to do is it says open the package, take out the spices and smash the noodles. Then sprinkle the spices onto it and shake it.
There's no
So
sprinkles?
yeah, it's on the inside.
Oh.
This is bulgogi flavor. Bulgogi flavor.
Ugh.
So wait, this is noodles that you don't boil.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I
ugh.
can take out the spices. It's not gonna be that bad. We never really tried it, so
we never tried the spicy, so we did try the hot
I
pepper.
always wanted to try noodles.
Oh crap! I don't know about eating some dang ramen, uncooked ramen. I mean, this is like ramen. Like y'all want to do it? Hold on. This is ramen. Okay, whatever.
Wait.
Yeah, it says take out the thing,
And it's spicy.
crunch it up.
And then season it.
But this isn't like ramen though, right? Because I'll be highly upset.
Stop moving, parents. There.
Be careful. Please sit down.
What color is it?
No, yeah, this is ramen.
I smell it.
Yucky.
It's like it smells like beef. It smells like beef.
Chicken. Smells like different kind of beef.
It smells like chicken.
But we gotta do it, guys. We gotta eat the ramen. What?
No, I don't want to eat it.
It's supposed to be a snack. This is a challenge.
You like?
I'll give everybody a gummy or something after we eat this.
Yeah.
Who knows? You might like it. Hold on, I gotta Kind of ripped the
I'm
bag.
gonna try it.
Remember I said to be calm. Alright, I guess everybody's just gonna grab a chunk.
No thanks, not that
Yes,
one.
you are.
For me.
Grab a chunk.
Or she'll pour for
Oh.
You're a man, you can do this.
Little baby please. Come on, look at them. Everybody got real chunks.
Ugh.
Oh,
I can always smoke
Come
it.
on, man, you can do it.
I like the best
Come
of done, but not this. I think
got
it was like a
Okay, so.
Now this is perfect. Now this is a diet.
Ugh, smell it. Just smell
Alright.
it. Smell this.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
3,
3,
2, 1.
Oh, it tastes weird. Oh.
I thought I liked it. It's just like chips. Is it chips? Like noodle shape? I like it. Who doesn't like it?
No,
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it tastes actually like chips.
I really like
You
it.
like it? Anybody
Oh.
want another piece?
Sure.
No, I'm not pressing
I'm
it.
just gonna give you a little bit more, and then we're gonna move to the next one. You want some?
I just want one, tiny piece.
One little tiny piece. Boy, it's good. That piece right there.
So for now on, when we eat noodles, we're gonna do that.
No, these aren't the same. The noodles is we actually cook. Oh my gosh, we still have so much more.
How? Ooh, chocolate.
Wait, Okay, look, I think this is a candy.
It is.
Lemonade. It feels like there's a few in here. It feels like there might be 6 in here, which would be perfect. Oh, here. Make sure it's the right way.
I didn't put them in the garden, so I don't.
Okay, so I don't know what this one is. This
That
must be
is
the Seacom Dalcom, the fruit chew with the sweet and sour. Oh no.
Oh no!
The sweet and sour kick.
Sour? Oh my! It would.
And we got lemonade.
I need
Okay, there's one.
Wait, there's a drink?
No, I'm talking about this. Is lemonade flavor. Naomi, sit down. Zoe, sit down.
It would taste so sour. Like
Please.
it's a sour.
I'm trying. I think there's 6 in here too.
Oh no!
Trying to. Oh man, it sucks. I'm not trying to ruin it because I want to do like.
Just grab it.
Excuse me.
Yeah, go ahead. Grab and pass.
I want to grab one. It smells really good.
Yeah.
You can smell the.
Welcome.
Mommy, I
You
can
got
smell
one?
the sweets.
I smell
Oh,
the
cool.
sweet.
There's 7 of them, so everybody definitely got one. Everybody has one.
Yeah. I'm not happy about this.
I want that one if I like it.
We'll see. All right, so in 3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Oh shit! I can't do it.
It tastes sweet. It tastes good. Good. And the sour and the sweet comes
It's
in.
got a lemony taste to
It
it.
tastes like bubblegum.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if we
Yeah.
can blow it.
Sour and sweet, taste them together. Oh, it tastes good. It just bursts of flavor.
Power.
We
It's
can't
really
blow
good
it
at I want that one.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, what is that?
It's sour.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, it's sour.
Me too.
They look
I
like
really
French fries.
wonder.
I don't know what this
If it's
is.
French fries, I would love some.
Yeah, they look like
I'm chewing on it.
It's the best day of my life.
Oh, it's got a cute little
was
box,
wondering
but
what
it's actually
well, they
got
wanted to
whatever.
keep that for
Oh, it's got little sticky things in it.
Yeah. What?
Hey,
Yeah.
Naomi, we can make this something.
Okay.
Make it a secret.
No, give me that back.
I have to taste it. We cannot swallow it.
Oh, ooh.
I did.
We can't swallow it. We have to
Oh,
chew
no.
it down like this.
I'm finally done chewing that one.
Oh.
Me
Yeah,
too.
anybody else still chewing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I swallow it.
Are you okay? You good?
I swallowed it.
Mm.
I
Not
swallowed one.
even no smashy
swallowed the
little
other one.
chicken.
Mommy is right. It's yummy.
All right, so we got some
I
more.
wish we had something to drink. I'm thirsty.
Now it's done.
We got like them little sticky things.
Oh,
And
yeah,
this
we
one.
do.
Oh no, we've been have that from long weeks ago. It smells good.
I want a real one. Are ready?
Three,
3, 2, 1.
I didn't bite it.
I didn't taste nothing.
Right.
It's good.
I don't taste anything.
I want
It
another one. I love it.
Mm.
It tastes weird.
It's good. It tastes like. Oh, I was supposed to open
Give me
it that way.
one then.
Ooh.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. That one is good. It's got a little hint of something. Who wanted another one?
Me. Oh.
Did you want another one? No. That one's good. That's a good one. We still have a few more left. See, I can deal. They gave us a nice size boxes, but we done had about 10 of them.
What kind of chocolate is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like there's one missing. But
I don't really know.
this one,
One is on your hand.
have a good time with the wafers, waffles, butter with the butter waffles or cream. Butter waffles. Wait, get in the light. I'm going too far over. Alright. Oh snap. It's like a real wafer. Alright, so there's 3 of them. That means take it and split it. You two split. Break it in half. You two split.
I took a break. Hey, I get
You split with Zoe. I'll split with Leo.
yeah, yeah, small one. There.
I get a bigger one.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Mmm.
It's a real waffle.
Yeah.
It tastes like a real
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's so sweet. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite one. Who likes this one?
another one.
This is my
I'll
thing.
take
Yeah,
that
it is.
thing.
You don't like it? Look at it. Yeah, give me a face.
Fine. No.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm gonna smell it. Mmm.
Oh my god.
This is all mine. That I made.
Give me some.
No.
That might be my favorite.
And my food.
That one or the
I
first
want
one might be my favorite. Wait.
Mm.
We still have the last. We're down to the last 3. This is the third to last one.
10.
Oh no, tiramisu. I don't know about tiramisu. I'm not a big fan of chocolate stuff, like
But you
especially cake.
eat chocolate.
I don't eat chocolate cake. I eat chocolate candy, and even then, I hardly eat it.
Barely.
Like, give me a Hershey's with almond.
I think my stomach wants to puke. My stomach will puke. I think I will.
Where are my scissors so I can actually open this?
Sorry.
Alright, this is a cookie.
Yay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it looks like. A cookie with like some tiramisu chunks in it.
Oh.
Oh no. It does not look like the picture on the thing. And I'm already getting chocolate all over my fingers. Great. Great.
Oh. It's actually.
I don't know if I want to try this. I don't know if I want to try this. It's too much chocolate.
I like some yellow. I like some yellow.
It's certain types of chocolate I don't like.
Mommy.
Can I really see me?
Ooh, there's the white stuff.
I I can't find
Look, try a little piece of chocolate.
I might have to take a tiny bite of mine and give it to somebody who likes it.
Me.
I like it. I might have it.
I love it. I love
Alright.
Chocolate.
This is my piece right here. I'm going to start this way because... And then I'm going to go here. And then I'm going to go here because you still reaching and I said wait.
I get the big one.
Alright, who's ate it already?
Not me.
I'm hungry.
I'll go
Naomi.
Cheese.
Everyone but Naomi. 3, 2, get into the camera.
1.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Mmm, so good.
Yeah.
It tastes like
Let me try
coffee.
this out.
Mommy, it tastes like coffee.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah.
Who wants mine?
Me.
Just take the chocolate off there. It tastes like coffee, yeah. Whoever's it
You don't like it, Zoe?
I do. I'm excited with it.
Say
Yeah.
after what?
Is there still more?
Yeah, we got 2 left.
Can we
2
try
left.
Oh,
With that popcorn looking like one. No, I think I want to save that one for last. I feel like that one would be the best one. I don't know. Y'all just missing out on these little
Ew,
noodles.
I don't eat that. There's no more.
I want to.
How do they taste?
It tastes like potato chips. Almost tastes like barbecue chips to me. You don't like the wafer? Get the...
I want one. Round 8.
Okay, so I said I wanted to try to save that one for last because this one, I don't even know what this is called. Like, what is this?
I think it's popcorn.
It looked like popcorn.
But what's like rice
Something.
cake?
Seriously.
It doesn't have no type of name. There's no, but there's
Jesus.
Okay, the most traditional Korean cookie made of honey, flour, and toasted rice. So this is like a rice cake, in a way. I mean, like,
It's a cake that
or you know,
it's made out of popcorn.
it's not popcorn. It's honey, flour, and toasted rice. So if I can get a napkin, let me just get another clean plain napkin so I can do this.
Wow.
I actually like this Korea one. This is a good one. Turkey was good, and then now Korea's pretty good, and I can't wait till the next one. This one's pretty messy. Alright, so should I try to cut it into little,
Yeah.
because then I could just cut it in half.
Wow.
I think we can just rip it.
I think we can all just take one bite of
It's
'Cause
super
when
messy.
it's
Hold on.
when it's cutting, it looks just. It just feels like kind of hard.
It is.
So I think we can just rip it.
Stop.
Oh yeah, you know what?
This will be. What's gonna be good?
Ripping it is like not that easy.
Oops, I tasted it. It was a mistake. No, I'm just kidding. I can't. It's too messy. I'm just gonna try to cut it a little so I can watch out, Zoe. Take it. Ready?
Set.
3,
Three,
2,
two.
1. Naomi. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh, it tastes like rice. I don't like plain rice. Okay, now the little hint of honey makes it better. Look at all that stuff on your little napkin.
I want a gummy one. Right here.
How's everybody feeling about this one?
No.
Good.
It's okay.
I love honey.
I
Love
honey.
Talking about he didn't even try. His is gone. What you mean?
It's all gone.
No, before never.
Okay, last one.
It says a.
That's the one that I wanted.
It's like, is that the last one? Oh, it is the last one.
Oh man, we were so doing very good
All
at
right.
this.
Sit down, please. All right. Okay. Who's that? Naomi, sit down a little.
The
Who's it?
last one.
Last one.
Yeah, it's fine. Woohoo! There's only like 5 in here. Kidding. All right.
Ew, looks like bird poo.
Now I don't want to hear it. Because this is thick. Like,
Last one, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, snap.
I remember that.
Mmm.
Who doesn't want that?
Oh man.
Okay,
I'll try.
That's like those Hershey's white chocolate Hershey's.
That's why I tried that. That's amazing. Oh no.
Mm.
I'm eating
This is a good one. This is a really good one.
Is there any
So
more?
good.
No.
You're trying to eat it for yourself. I saw.
Sit back. All right. So does everybody remember which one was their favorite?
The gummies.
This one.
All right. So Naomi, you say that this one is your favorite. Okay, Terrence, which one was your favorite?
The gummy grape.
This one is Terrence's favorite. The gummies. Theodore, which one was your favorite? Do you remember?
Yeah, all of them are my favorite, but one is not. The noodles are not my favorite.
Okay. So Leo, do you have a favorite?
Can I have some one?
Yes,
No.
you.
That one. This.
It's the pepperoni.
The which one?
What we just ate.
These?
Yeah.
This is Leo's favorite. Zoe, do you know which one your favorite one was?
All of them. Yeah.
Okay. I forgot. My favorite, I think, was these and the wafer. Where is it? This one, the wafer. So between these two was my favorite. Yes, those Butterwicks. That was nice.
Mommy,
So,
can I get a break? Gummy.
can we like eat one more of everything?
I want
You don't have one more everything. Okay, so who wants a grape?
Me.
Me. I guess so.
I want.
Okay, so
Did you want one?
I got a little bit more in there.
Thank you everyone for watching this. And click a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe it. And see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.